Today, we are breaking down the best Lloyds Bank mortgage deals currently available, highlighting key features, rates, and benefits. Lloyds Bank consistently offers competitive mortgage products suitable for first-time buyers, home movers, and those looking to remortgage. Their range includes fixed-rate, tracker, and offset mortgages designed to fit different financial needs and plans. Lloyds Bank fixed-rate mortgages provide stability, locking in a rate for a set period, often 2, 5, or 10 years. These rates start as low as 5.2% annually, depending on the loan-to-value ratio. Fixed-rate mortgages are ideal for borrowers seeking predictable monthly payments, protecting against interest rate fluctuations. Some deals include options for overpayments of up to 10% per year, allowing faster mortgage repayment without penalties. Tracker mortgages from Lloyds follow the Bank of England base rate, currently at 5%, plus a fixed margin. Tracker deals offer flexibility and the potential to benefit from lower interest rates if the base rate falls. Lloyds offers tracker rates from around 5.5%, providing a straightforward approach for borrowers confident in market trends. Offset mortgages combine savings and mortgage balances, effectively reducing the interest charged. Lloyds offset deals allow you to link your savings to your mortgage, which can significantly reduce interest costs over time. These products suit individuals with substantial savings or irregular income, maximizing efficiency without locking funds away. Special features often include fee-free applications, free standard valuations, and cashback offers for certain products. Mortgage decisions depend on your deposit size, credit history, and long-term plans, with Lloyds offering expert guidance throughout the application process. Overall, Lloyds Bank mortgage deals present strong options for a range of borrowers, balancing competitive rates with flexible terms and additional benefits. Choosing the right mortgage deal requires evaluating personal finances, repayment capacity, and how the mortgage aligns with future goals, making Lloyds a reliable choice for many homebuyers and homeowners looking to remortgage.